Why do you actually need to run a random module in Numpy? Random are used in game development, like when you want to choose a random enemies or loot drops. It's also used in data science, random sampling. You can use the random module to generate a dataset. That dataset you can use it to train and test your model. It can also be used in simulation, like Monte Carlo experiments. Security, like encryption keys or password generation. What about random number? Random number are totally different with different numbers. Random number that cannot be predicted, and a random number can be repeated, while different number cannot be repeated. Let's see pseudo-random and true random. Pseudo-random are that values generated by the computer programs. They can be repeatable if you know the formula that you use to create that program. While true random, these are naturally random values, and they are different. NumPy library have a different model, polynomial, cohort testing, random, all Fourier models. But today I want to point on random model. Random model have different methods as listed here, like CD, permutation, shuffle, up to uniform. Let's start by randint. Let's go on VS Code to test one of these methods. Then already we reach in VS Code. We need to import random model. Now we can say from NumPy, we need only random model. Now I can say, for example, I have a die, then I needed to choose random side on that die. How to do this? I can simply just print the any side I will choose. Then simply I can use random model. Then I can use randint function to generate the integer side. Then I need to start from 1 up to 6. That is enough. It can be 7 because 6 will not include it. Now if I try to run this, now the first time I will get 4. If I run it again, then I get 4. If I run it again, then I get 2. If I run it again, I get 1. This is a random generation of the integer value by using method randint. Again, I may want to choose in the collection. How I can do this by using random? I may also say print. Then I'm gonna to choose between tail and head on the coin. Then you can say coin will be. Now I can use my random model, and then I use choice function. Inside the choice function, I can pass the list or any collection you want. Then I can say this is head, and also I can pass a tail. If I try to run this, the first time it is head. Again it is head. If I run again it is head. If I run again it is tail. This is random choice. You might need to generate the array of float values by simply write print statement, and inside here you can pass random with the method randint. This is going to create a single value of float. If I run this, it generates this value. But if I pass 10, it generates 10 values. This is the array of 10 value. What if I pass 100? It generates 100 values. I can't live without showing you a normal distribution where you can create a data, and that data you transform into dataset. That dataset you can use it to train and test your model. Most popular is normal distribution. This normal distribution fits the probability distribution of most events like IQ score, heartbeats, and others. To access this, you simply apply this syntax. We write NumPy, and you add the random model and the normal function. We need to pass log parameter, which is mean. Scale is a standard deviation, and the size is the shape of the array. Let's go faster in VS Code to test this distribution. Okay, we have already imported random model. What simply we are going to do is to write random, and we select the normal method. Inside the normal method, we can pass the size of 100 value. If I run this, it creates an array of 100 values. To make it better distribution as we want, we define that 3 arguments. The first argument is log, which is equal to mean. Let's say the mean is 1. Now I can pass the standard deviation here by simply write scale. Then I make scale equal to 2. If I run again, it creates the distribution we want. That is it about random model. If you want to make more, you can go on browser and you search NumPy documentation and you learn more about random model. In the next video, we are going to learn how to remove a duplicate in the data.